Well, haven't been getting as much done as I wanted to lately. As you can see, the wife had to get some more chickens, so they've been living in my garage, and so much for doing any kind of welding or anything like that. I don't want to gas them out. But today's their first day to be outside of the garage. They're a little late for that, but I've been working hard and everything else, so gonna have to make another video coming up in a week or so that we're gonna be taking the big truck for a long drive again and going back to the auction. Gonna have to go pick up some stuff. Anyway, maybe now that the chickens are out of my garage, I can get this bumper finished. Yeah! Yeah, I'm looking like I've been working hard. Anyway. Yeah, I bought something at auction. I probably shouldn't have bid on it. Now I gotta go get it. And it'll be another project sitting around here. Hopefully it won't sit too much, but now that the chickens are out of here, maybe I can start making some progress on that bumper and the roll bars that are tree protection bars I want to make for the cab, so that when I drive through the trees in the forest, I don't take things off like the windshield and stuff. I already broke off the CB antenna in trees. Anyway, well, I just thought I'd make a quick little teaser video. Coming soon, we'll have a much longer video about going down to the auction and coming back with something very large and green. Could be entertaining. I don't know. We'll see.